This is the creative kind. This is the adventure car. This is the bangers.
This is the adventure car?
Yeah, that's what we had to call them. The adventure car. Hey, good morning, my people. How are you?
We are good.
I forget we are doing the skit.
Of course, of course. Where are we going today?
Where are we going? We are going on a mystery.
A mystery?
A mystery.
Okay.
We are going into, how do you say, the wonders of Grenada.
Okay.
Now, the weather has not been nice to us. Mother Nature, they told us to go F ourselves.
You think it's going to get better today?
Will it get better? We'll have to pray on it. But